In this video, I will show you how to do separate tasks in project Codex. So right now you can see I'm on the Codex interface, and here to separate your tasks in projects, here you can see this is project. What you will do here, you can simply just click this plus icon, and now you can see you have two options. You can go with your local computer files. You can edit, run test files on your computer, and you have second option, that is remote. So you can choose your local files to work with or your remote files to work with. If you go with remote, you can see here you will put your project name. Then here you need to add remote. So here you will add SSH connection host name and SSH port. Okay. So this is a little bit technical. So in this video, I will actually show you the easiest way. The easiest way is you will just work with your local file. Here you can see I will simply click this plus icon and then go with local. Let me click next. Here I will define a project name, or you can simply upload a project by clicking here. Look, if you double click here, it will open the project directory. I will choose a project. So this is empty projects and I will open it here. Right now, when you upload your projects, you can simply click create projects. So based on your project name, you can see a project is created. Now, so if you want to work with project and run parallel agents and do all the stuff, how you can do that? So for example, when this project is here, you can see this is the same projects. You can start planning for something or try to building something simultaneously by running parallel agents. So let me show you. So here, let me create a new thread. This is the pen icon. We'll click here, and now a new session will start. We'll say create a Next.js project with Tailwind CSS and TypeScript. So I just prompt this and run a agent to do this task. And then at the same time, I will create another thread. And here I will say create a web development roadmap for me. Okay. So this is another thread I created, and you can see if you just hover here, you can see two tasks and two is active. And see it's creating a roadmap for me. Okay. So it's working. You can run multiple agents here. And when you have done on projects, you can see so two tasks, one is complete, one is active, and one is already completed. So you can see this, and here another is running. If you want to add another thread, you can click here. Then what you will say, so let me plan something, plan mode. Here I will say, let me run another thread, and you can see it's working simultaneously, parallelly, another different type of agents here. So by following away, you can do separate tasks in a project in Codex.